Good fish. Good.
Silent, bro.
Been a bit of a slow day. And I'm going from Legacy. Just in the shallows, 25 metres. Jig head and bait. Could be a rankin. Pump stick mode engaged. Rankin. Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's
Red. Yeah, boy. Get the gaff.
Yeah, slow down, slow down. You got him hooked well.
Yeah, boy.
Told you I got hit by a big bro. Whatever that was a good fish, eh?
Yeah, the boy. Yeah, the bloody boys. Big dog red. 25 metres. Yeah, baby. Talk shit, get bit. On Big John's jig. 25 metres. Fresh fillet of Spango. Been a pretty bloody quiet day. We've caught absolutely stuff all apart from a few G's. Been quiet on the bottom. Last mark before we called it a night, and bang. Boys are singing. Just filling up some tasty red for dinner. It's on. Slab. Like they're the right side, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this will all fit in one bag, bro. Keep it in your pocket for later. Pocket bag.
I need that on the beach. iPhone in case the tide comes in.
Oh. Couple of ton. The boys are singing. Just dropped the knife. Had to go for a quick dive. Yeah.
You're the problem, mate. He just threw that first bit of oil and it's going everywhere. Just place them in, bro. What was that?
Oh, the cheese, the lettuce is down there.
No, lettuce.
You go. No, you go, honestly.
What do we got? Chili down. Sit on the eyeballs.
Rab City.
You got all the good shit though this year.
Yeah, I already went to do that.
Yeah, it's got the lettuce in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
The boys are literally on. Yeah, red is pretty good. I reckon sometimes it's a bit overrated, red, eh? Right. I've had it at times, you have it and you're like, it's not that good, and you think, nah, not that good. And you cook it again and it's just absolutely killer, eh?
Yeah.
Hit and miss, I reckon. That's a hit. So I've just dropped Podgy at the beach. He's got his swag. He's sleeping out there and I'm staying on the boat. He doesn't have to worry about the wet deck. So I'll show you where I'm sleeping. Skip's headquarters. It's pretty cozy in here. Couple pillows, sheet, just roll a sheet because it's bloody hot. And the fan for when it gets really bloody hot. And yeah, sleeping next to a couple of spear guns. So that'll be about it for tonight, but I'll see you again in the morning and do it all again. You. So just waking up. It's about 6 in the morning. This is probably the best bit. Waking up on the fishing grounds. She is a little windy. But at least we don't have to drive 60k to the grounds. Oh. Not a bad sleep. I did wake up. My wind changed, set my anchor alarm off. So I did get up in the middle of the night, but other than that, not bad. So, make a bit of brekkie, get Podge off the beach, and see if we can get a bit of bit. So Podge is up, he's down there, finished the coffee, probably go pick him up and make a bit of a plan for the day. Not really sure yet, probably go in the shallows again, try and get some trout, and maybe a bit of top water, a bit of casting around one of the islands, see if there's any mackies around. Kind of got the G's yesterday, so we probably wouldn't concentrate on that today. But a bit of esky fish really, fill that up, try and get some trout, that'd be the plan for now.
It's pretty deep drop off there. Just see, put your motor in gear, just try and turn your ass in this way a little tiny bit. Keep it ahead, don't go reverse. Come ahead. Come on.
You on?
Just. We're good.
Trout doggy.
Big dirty spango. Big Johnny's jig, 6 ounce, bit of fresh fish. No bites in the G's. Bit of a storm coming in, so we're hiding out for a while. No, we're probably in the best spot to hide from it.
Right down the rain.
Yeah, as I said, we're actually at the best spot.
Yeah.
At least it's not windy. At least it's not rough. It's still windy.
Yeah, it's just not right.
How's the chop, man?
Yeah, man.
That is peppering,
Yeah.
That is absolutely
There's
peppering.
10 to 50 knots nearly.
So back to the Haines in this position, is it?
Yeah.
Hey, she's staying strong on the anchor. Oh, imagine this had it came in last night.
Imagine with more hands steering.
The rain backed off, but the wind didn't. We decided to punch on with it anyway, go into the shallows and do some trawling. Yep. Oh. Hit. Yeah, that got a hit. Yeah. How's this lure? This lure does not swim at all. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Love action. Mari on the DDX minnow.
Right there he is.
Stormy bars.
Took me right out.
He broke one rod. Hopefully he doesn't break another. He's not ready for a dust up, this guy. How's all this that he coughed up, bro? Little jobby. Baby. So back at DDX, baby Spango. All over it. Ew. Trawling along. Good bang. Smashing on the trawl. Bloody windy. Bloody windy. So what do you do? Have a little trawl around the islands. Pick one of these bad boys up. Take it. Ew. Might keep this one, eh? Oh, it's an absolute grind of a day. We got smashed in that storm straight up. Lucky we were inshore, so we weren't too bad. And then after that, we just kind of made something of nothing. We went trawling inshore there and got a few macks and little bits and pieces to save the day. And after that, we sent it wide, but it was absolute shark pit. We didn't get anything through, so that was that. But bloody good 2 days, and time now to regroup and get ready for the next one. Hopefully we get some weather.